For today, I'm going to share with you the benefits of an important food which many of us will need to stay healthy. I'm talking about banana. A small-sized banana is around 100 calories. It has vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, and most importantly, potassium. Here are some of the benefits of eating a banana. Number 1, try eating half a banana if you have heartburn or hyperacidity. Bananas act like a natural antacid to the stomach. Scientists have identified the secret component in the banana, the flavonoid leucocyanidin. Studies show that bananas can protect against aspirin-induced gastritis and can significantly increase the mucous membrane lining of the stomach. Number 2, bananas are good for the heart. Potassium is an essential mineral needed to regulate water balance, acidity level, and blood pressure of the body. A lack of potassium can cause muscle weakness and irregular heartbeat. For patients taking a diuretic medicine, they should take 2 bananas a day to keep the potassium level up. Take note that bananas have 0 sodium, it's good for high blood pressure, and 0 fat and cholesterol, good for those with high cholesterol. Number 3, bananas may reduce strokes. In the journal Neurology, the author suggests that a banana a day may keep a stroke away. Number 4, bananas can help counter stress and insomnia. Bananas contain tryptophan, a type of protein that the body converts into serotonin. Serotonin is a hormone that is known to make you feel happy and improve your mood. So take a banana to feel better. Number 5, bananas are good for tiredness and fatigue. Bananas contain carbohydrates which boost our energy. Have you seen tennis players eat a banana between games? The high potassium content prevents cramps, and carbohydrates give ready energy. Number 6, another study shows that bananas may help prevent childhood leukemia. Number 7, bananas may also prevent childhood asthma. A European study concludes that eating bananas daily reduces episodes of wheezing and asthma attacks in children. Eating apples and other fruits were not as beneficial in the study. So for moms out there, teach your kids to eat a banana. Number 8, now for diabetics. The glycemic index rating for a banana is 51, which is fairly good. The lesson is, it's okay to eat a banana, but not the overripe ones. Finally, the best news about the simple banana is that it's cheap and it comes in a great package. A banana can fit cleanly in your bag. At night, I have a banana beside my bed. When you feel hungry, stressed, or can't sleep, reach for a banana. The only downside with bananas is that some people may get constipation. If this is the case, then you should eat bananas along with other fruits like watermelon, grapes, and pears. Personally, bananas have helped me a lot. There are many wonders with this simple banana. It just might cure you of your medical problems. Remember, 2 bananas a day may help keep the doctor away. I hope these tips help you. Stay healthy and take care.